Hello French learners, Jareen here, and this is Sailor, my mutt. So my future videos, until I don't know when, will be filmed here in my kitchen because everyone at the Link office is now working from home, doing our bit to stem the spread of COVID. I hope you guys are managing to stay healthy. It's been a good week and a bad week. I lost my silver apple, pretty sad about that. But it's for a good reason. I've been doing lots of listening off Link, and then adding the time to my statistics, but I don't get coins then for that time, so I'm not adding to my activity score. So I am doing lots of listening and beneficial listening to me, but it's not registering, and therefore I'm now demoted to a red apple. It's okay, it's fine. I've been doing lots of listening outside of Link in that I've been watching lots of TV, but I've noticed that I am hearing more of the words and phrases in French. So that's new. It's definitely a lot more than I used to notice. And so I'm really motivated by that. So I've been burning through this Zone Blanche TV show that I mentioned to you guys before. I'm almost done with the second. I think there are 2 seasons on Netflix, so I'm almost done. That's great then. It's enjoyable, so it's worth losing my silver apple for. I'm thinking this week I'm going to find an audiobook with the matching ebook so that I can create a lesson on Link with it and start reading my first ever book in another language. So I was thinking a young adult fiction novel. I did find some that I thought looked interesting, but unfortunately none of them have French versions, which is a bummer. But I think then maybe I'll find a Stephen King book that I've read before, or a Stephen King novella, or a book of short stories. If you guys have any suggestions for me, I'm all ears, because I don't know what the best option is. I know definitely nothing, science fiction or anything with vocabulary that I'll have to slog my way through every other sentence. There'll be something new. That'll be really tiring, and maybe I won't want to read the whole book. So I'm thinking maybe something Stephen King would be good. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, please pop them in the comments. I really appreciate the suggestions you guys give me. As for lessons on Link, I've been working my way through the Ballad podcast that I mentioned last week, and also some news stories as well. And yeah, next week I'm really excited to start a novel, so that's gonna be exciting. I hope you guys have had a great week, and I hope that you will have a fantastic week next week studying French or whatever language it is that you're studying, and I will see you next Friday.